morning students, welcome to your online mathematics class, and this is for class 9th. Alright, so today we'll start with R.D.Sharma, okay, and these questions are from second chapter, exponents of real number students. Okay, it is important chapter and important and difficult questions I am solving, and I will be giving assignments also for you. So few questions I will solve and rest others which are assignments you should complete in your registers. Okay students, so see here it is saying first question, assuming that x, y, z are positive real numbers, simplify each of the following. Now if you see carefully students, the first question, okay, x raised to the power minus 3, can you see clearly students? X raised to the power minus 3 it is, alright, and then we have this root and brackets power 5. So I will solve few questions and then you will get a good understanding of how to solve these questions. Okay, so first question, as I told, it is saying x raised to the power minus 3 root and power 5. Okay, let me take the marker and then I'll start. Okay, so question number 1, and this is your first part. So it says x raised to the power minus 3 students, then this root and this bracket 5. Okay, so first we will make this positive. So I had already explained, so to make this positive with power positive, what I will do, I will write this as a 1 upon x raised to the power 3, this sign and the bracket outside with 5. Alright, now this, how to remove the square root now? What I can do, I will take this root in numerator and in denominator, right, and this bracket outside with power 5. So in math, steps are important students, see the step. So we already know square root of 1 will be 1, so I have written 1. Alright, and then you have, see this step, x cube, here it is x cube, and then this root sign, so this will be x raised to the power 3 upon 2 bracket and this power 5. Alright students, so I had already told students, so don't forget this, root x and it is power n. This means when I will remove this root sign, this will be x raised to the power 1 upon n, which means if it is square root simple, so when I remove the square root, it will be x raised to the power 1 by 2. If it is something like this, that is we call cube root. So this means if I remove this sign, this will be equal to x 1 upon 3. Are you following? If it is x to any power, so this means when I will remove this sign, this will be x raised to the power 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. I hope it is clear. So this is the same concept, and maths is all about concept students, so don't cram questions, you understand the concepts. Alright, so same, now see here, this is x cube and this root sign. This means when I will remove this root, so this will become x raised to the power 3 by 2. Don't forget this power 5. So now again we will open the brackets. So this means 1 raised to the power 5 upon x, see this denominator carefully, x 3 by 2 into 5. So this is 3 5 is 15 upon 2. I told students 1 raised to any power, whether it is 5, whether it is 50, whether it is 5 lakh, it is always 1. Okay, so you don't have to think much about this. Now in denominator it will be x raised to the power 15 upon 2. Are you following? Go through it carefully students. Or if I write this, if I remove this form, I can write this as x raised to the power minus 15 upon 2. Minus 15 upon 2. Let me take the eraser 1 minute students. So either you write as 1 upon x raised to the power 15, that is absolutely correct, or If I take this in numerator, so this will become minus 15 upon 2. Are you following, students? So this way we have to solve the other questions. So I am not giving much questions, but at least you should complete this 6 questions, out of which I have already solved. Okay, so I'll give you a hint for second question also. It is saying x cube y raised to the power minus 2. So what I can do, students, I can write this as x cube, and this is y raised to the power minus 2. So I will take it in denominator. So this will become y raised to the power 2, and then this whole bracket, right? X raised to the power x cube and y raised to the power minus 2. Okay, let me write the question. So I'll change the ink also, so it will be easy to differentiate. So which coloring do you want, students? Okay, we'll take this pink. So this the question I'm writing: x raised to the power 3, y raised to the power minus 2, then this square root. So what will I do? Now I'll take this as x cube and y square. Y, well, this is the rule I already explained. Y raised to the power minus 2. If I take the denominator, this will become positive. Is it clear, students? Now I'll remove this root sign. So this will become x raised to the power 3. Let me take the eraser one. X raised to the power 3. So x raised to the power 3 upon y square power 1 upon 2. Right? Denominator, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Can you see carefully? So this and this 2 will be cancelled. So if I cancel this, so I'll be left with y. So what is the final answer then? X raised to the power 3 upon 2 upon y. Are you following, students? So this is the answer. So I have been telling from the beginning, students, maths is all about concepts. So don't cram questions, pay attention to the concept what I teach and solve. So in this way you can complete these questions. So tomorrow then when I send another video and solve more difficult questions. Alright, so till then be good students, complete your work and study well. Alright students.